Alright, it's the first test drive of this freshly rebuilt 2.2 water boxer with the Mansispeed EFI system. It's the very first test drive. Been driving it for about 5 minutes now. Man, the power is great. Third gear, going up a decent little hill here in La Paz. It's a beautiful, hot, late afternoon. Look at that, how nice that is. It's a terrible place to have to test drive. But man, it runs so smooth. It's too bad these cars are in front of me. But I probably shouldn't push it too hard on the first test drive anyway. Still on third gear. Just fourth. I bet if you're somewhere cold and you're watching this right now, you're a little bit envious. You have a great job.